Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to this backlit at me. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. If you have this type of problem, watch. I'm gonna try to start the car. Watch. You saw that? It takes a while to start, right? Well, that means your battery is dying, or it has a bad health, and it's time to replace it. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. If you have a 2014 Hyundai Accent, I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. In the title and in the description box, I'm gonna put the generation of let's say, let me see it real quick. 1 second. So this type of this project applies for the years between 2012 and 2017. See, from 2012 and 2014, that's the fourth generation, and then from 2015 to 2017, it's still the fourth generation, but it's a facelift. Alright. If you don't know what I mean, is facelift means when there's change in the body. I'm saying in the design, the way it looks. That's what it means, facelift. But the inside is still the same. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to replace this battery. Alright. So there's two ways you can do it. Okay. You can do it with the car running, so you don't mess around with the radio and the memory and all that. So you keep the clock and the time and the radio stations. I'm saying, but if you do it without the car running, then you're gonna lose all that. I'm saying, so it's up to you. If you do it running, with the car running, you gotta do it fast. Okay, so make sure you have the tools you need. 10 millimeter. All right. Here has a secure. Okay, that's gonna be 12, 13 millimeter socket. Okay, so make sure you have all those tools. Alright, and here we go. We're gonna do it with the car running, okay? I'm gonna try to let the car run, but if it doesn't run, then I'm just gonna do it without the car running, okay? So the only difference is that you gotta do it a little bit faster when the car is running, because once you unplug the battery, you have to like put the new battery in. So we're gonna start by removing that, okay? And then we're gonna start the car and see. Alright, so come with me. Let's do it, bro. Alright, so these are the tools you're gonna need, okay? You're gonna need a 12 millimeter socket. Short or deep is the same. Extension. This is 12, let's see. This is 8 inches, okay? 8 inches extension. Alright, 3/8, okay? The 12 millimeter socket. The 10 millimeter socket. You might need this though. You don't need it though. You can use a flat screwdriver, okay? This is for the terminals, to remove it, okay, like this. Alright. And a ratchet, okay? This is 3/8. Okay, this is gonna fit in here, alright? This is for those that don't know. It's okay if you don't know, alright? So don't have this, this is 3/8, by the way. That's the size of this thing right here. If you don't have this, you can use this. All right. So we're gonna start by removing the secure that I showed you earlier. Now get your hand in there, you're gonna pull it out, okay? Now, this is the plate that is in there, okay? You're gonna put it back the same way, alright? Now we're gonna do it with the car running, so I'm gonna see if I can start the car real quick. Alright, so allow me to start the car. Let's see if it starts. There you go, nice. Did it start? Now it's running. I show you the size of the battery and all that, okay? When I remove it. Now we're gonna use a 10mm socket. I'm gonna use this guy right here. That's one. This is the other one right there. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna remove this just like that. Remove this just like that. Put it to the side. Now we're gonna remove the battery just like that. And now we're gonna put the new battery in there. You have to remove these covers. Okay. Now, I think we did it right. So we just put it in there. Okay. Now the car is not gonna die because we did it right on time. But that's not it. That's not it yet. You have to tie this, okay, with the 10mm. Okay. Give it a little tap. Tied it. That's good. That's the ground side. Negative side. Okay. Now this one, tied it. This is the positive side. This is the power side. Okay. That's pretty much it. Alright. Now the car is running good. Alright. Now I don't have to rush, but I'm going to shut down the car, turn it off. Okay. Now it's shut down. I'm gonna put this back. Okay, just the same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. Okay. Now we're gonna put this thing back. If you don't want this to fall, put a little plastic here or a little piece of paper, like so. And now it's not gonna fall. So now you can do it like this. Put it down there. Tied it. And that's it. Okay. Now this battery this is a interstate battery. Okay. It says right here 47 MT47/H5. Alright. Here's the date. It should be marked, but it's not. So whoever sold you the battery, they should mark it here. Let's say it's it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these are the months. So these are the years. So it's 2022, right? So mark the 2. And mark the 2. By removing the sticker, and the month, which is September. Okay, now you remove that. Now you know when you install this battery. You know what I'm saying? So next time you have the same problem, you're gonna know when you install it. Alright? And if it's like it's been 3 years, 5 years, then you should know that you should replace your battery. Alright? And that's pretty much it. Not all the batteries are the same, but if you see, like, let's say in 5 years you have the problem, battery problem, you need to replace it, go by the number of the old battery. You know what I'm saying? So let's say in 5 years you're gonna change the battery, look at the number, this is the same type of battery you're gonna get. Right? And if you get it from an auto party store, they should know what type of battery you need. There's so many brands, and you know that's on the quality too. Some brands are good, some brands are like not that good. So, and the price changed too. Just so you know, that's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. This was how to change the battery in a 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent. Alright, thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Shout out to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you all? Thank you to my haters. Thanks to my haters for the hate. You see right below this video, there's a heart. It says thanks. Click on that so you support the channel by contributing to the channel. It's kind of like a tip, you know what I'm saying? It's up to you how much you want to drop. And I'm going to leave it right here. Catch me in the next one. Stu, I'm out there. Yeah.